Good Monday morning. It is September the 8th, and the market will be opening in just a little bit. Let's see what we have. Looking at the largest MACDs, really, I should be looking for a long here, and so even though we've got some of the medium charts pointing down, I will be looking for a long here just after the market opens.
Bid volume.
And there we go. I'm looking for it now. I have a habit of wanting to get in right at the market open, so I'm looking here to see if we can find something to go. And there we go. Looks like we can go ahead and go here.
Filled.
All right. Probably would have liked more of a pullback, but let's see what we get. See how it works out. Okay, so even though we've got some pressure to the upside, I'll tell you, I'm just not seeing this. The MACDs have not pushed up, or the price has not really moved up like the MACDs are telling me. So even though my large MACDs are saying we are going up, I'm just, man, I do not like that look on the 377 here to see what's going to happen. Man, I'm really feeling like we should probably do a reversal. Yeah, I don't like that head and shoulder bar pattern right there on the 377. So let me see.
Reverse order target filled.
Yep, there's a reversal. Let's see what happens here. All right, so adjust the stop to get it back behind that a little bit. There we go, and let's see what we get. All right, so we had some quick bars there that popped up and took the stop out.
Order filled.
I couldn't get that order filled where I wanted to, and darn it, there you go. It comes back against me. That's okay. With the way the MACDs have moved up on the 144, my mind is still thinking short, which is a struggle right now, because if I go down there and I look at the two bottom right-hand MACD charts, they're telling me I should be looking for ups. So I'm a little mixed here. Let's see what we get, though. That'll be the case. Let's watch and see what we get. Okay, so we popped up a little bit higher, and I liked the fact that where it came up, so I went ahead and took a add-on there. Moved my boundaries or stops accordingly, and
stop filled.
Yeah. Looks like ignoring those two bottom right charts is probably not the best idea. So let me see if we can get one more drop. Maybe it'll give me a chance to take advantage of that long. Otherwise, I'm just going to have to let this long run out because I can see it now. 377 has said we are going up. The 233 is already on its way up. Even the 610 is getting on board with the up. So now the charts are lining up. I'll be back. Okay, so I couldn't get filled on that one quick bar a few bars back. I put an order in there, but it just didn't work. So I'm not a big fan of trading at the outer band like this, but the market is telling me clearly we are going up. So I'm going to see just how much we can take advantage of this grind up, because that's what it's looking like now. Those big MACDs have come in and said we want to go up, and now if you notice, all of the MACDs are in agreement. We are going up. So let's see how good we can ride this out. All right, so we've gone up a little ways. You can see where my break even is there. It's 75.7. We've still got some potential strength to get up. However, the small charts are saying maybe not, so I've pulled my boundary up based on some order flow data, and we're just going to see if it's either going to go ahead and pop up here, or it's going to touch my stop. If it touches a stop, I've really got to start thinking possibly about shorts, because we've even though the big charts are saying up, the medium charts and small charts are starting to give up on that idea. So come on, let's see.
Stop filled.
All right, so there's the stop. Let me watch this and see. We may be going short here in just a second. Okay, so that man, that's just a present there. So it's just so clear. Got a decent feel. So there we go. 70.1 is going to be my break-even point to clear all those gifts I've made this morning. And if we pull it down here somewhere, we'll see somewhere down there can get me to my 3-point goal. Well, let's see how the market moves, because the medium charts now have definitely said that at least some down is in favor, and even the 4181 is starting to look good for this short. Okay, so I've brought in my market flow data to show something here. My stop is placed behind the current high volume area there between 72 and 71.4, that area. I placed my stop just behind that area. Oops. Okay. So I've locked in a little bit of profit, and as we see, hold on, I need to fix my time here. All right, time is fixed. Now my charts are syncing better. Okay, so as we've seen here, I can pull it down even a little bit more because see, now I'm just right behind that last real heavy volume area. So locked in a little bit more profit. Let's see how we do. All right, this is looking really good. We've pushed down farther. We're now looking at the break even, so I can get my dome back to green. Target's still up ahead. Because we've got so much pressure, I'm going to go ahead and hold this one a little bit longer. As soon as it moves through this current area here of high volume at 1169, there we go. We can start to pull on down. Let's see what this looks like right in here. Let's see. There we go. Let me center back on this real quick. There we go. All right, so I've kind of pulled in behind the small bit of volume we had around the 1170. I can even pull down more. Let's go down to 1170.3. So that gets me just about to the break-even mark there at 70.1. So let's see if how the target comes up in a little bit. Okay, so we've been kind of staggering there, and so I pulled my stop down fairly tight. So I definitely had my break-even plus a few ticks. But now we've gone ahead, we've broken on out, we've blown out the stops for guys who went short there, thinking they were going to, or I'm sorry, guys that went long there, thinking they were going to get that reversal at the 76. And really, if I look at this as a bigger move, you know, we're looking at down there by the 50. Look at that 1597, man. I love the MACDs there. So I'm gonna keep this thing going. See if we can't get a little extra today. Okay, so it looks like we are done. We blew through the 100% there on the retracement, and 3.35 for the day. That was in sim again. Should be back to live trading a little bit later this week. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.